So if you watch my last video here in the beautiful Es Paradis, you'll have all been taken by it. It was amazing. But then I was starting to think, what would it be like if we could fly a drone inside a nightclub? It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Well, luckily enough, I'm part of one of the best production teams here in Ibiza called Visualize, and I have a very gifted friend who is one of the best licensed pilots in Ibiza. So we've come to Es Paradis, thank you to Pepe once again, and we're going to fly the drone around one of Ibiza's most historic clubs. Just look at this place. So in today's vlog, you're going to see the beautiful Es Paradis. Hope everybody's been enjoying these vlogs. I've been doing them all the time just to keep things motoring. I'm looking forward to seeing the footage just as much as you are. Oh, what a place. If you have any memories of being in this club, please do drop a comment. I know you have done in the last video. So yeah, the more memories you have, I'd love to hear them. I have some really good memories in this club over the years. An incredible place, steeped with so much history. One of the coolest clubs in the world. And we're here flying drone about it. I'm the first person that stepped on a dance floor in 2021. Yeah, I can't dance. So yeah, the first person in 2021 inside an Ibiza club on the dance floor. There you go. Oh, second.
And third.
Get a few drinks and you'll know all about dancing. Okay, so now you've seen this beautiful club at the daytime. We're going to show you at night time now. Just look how incredible this place looks.